destination for sophisticated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Have you ever dreamt of a backyard that feels like a cozy, natural retreat? A place where you can unwind, connect with nature, and enjoy the simple things in life? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of rustic outdoor seating areas. We'll show you how to create a space that's not just beautiful, but also incredibly inviting. Stick around as we unveil the top 10 rustic outdoor seating area ideas that will inspire your next backyard transformation. So, what exactly does rustic mean in the context of outdoor design? A rustic outdoor seating area is all about bringing the beauty and authenticity of nature into your living space. It's an aesthetic that prioritizes raw, unrefined materials like distressed wood, natural stone, and woven textures. Unlike sleek, modern designs, rustic decor celebrates imperfections and a worn-in, comfortable feel. Think log benches, rough-hewn timber, flagstone patios, and a color palette inspired by the earth itself: deep browns, earthy greens, and warm grays. It's about creating a space that feels timeless, lived in, and perfectly in sync with its surroundings. Beyond its charming appearance, a rustic outdoor seating area offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it provides a sense of peace and tranquility. By using natural materials and incorporating elements like fire pits and water features, you create an environment that encourages relaxation and mindfulness, helping you de-stress after a long day. Secondly, this style is incredibly durable and low maintenance. Rustic materials like stone and solid wood are built to withstand the elements, so they age gracefully, often looking even better with a bit of wear and tear. This means less time worrying about upkeep and more time enjoying your space. Finally, a well-designed rustic area can significantly increase your home's value and curb appeal, making it a valuable investment. It offers a unique and desirable space for entertaining, quiet family moments, or even a solo cup of coffee in the morning sun. Decorating your rustic outdoor seating area is all about creating a harmonious balance between comfort and nature. Start with your foundation. Use natural materials for your flooring, such as flagstone, brick pavers, or even a simple gravel bed for a more informal look. For furniture, opt for pieces made from solid, unfinished wood, wicker, or wrought iron. Layer with comfortable cushions and throws in neutral earthy tones to soften the look and add warmth. Incorporate natural greenery through large potted plants or climbing vines that can grow on a pergola or trellis. Don't forget about lighting. Lanterns, string lights, and a central fire pit will create a warm, magical ambience as the sun goes down. Finally, add decorative accents that speak to the rustic theme, like a large clay pot, a weathered wooden tray, or even a small water fountain for a touch of serenity. Now that we've covered the basics of the rustic style, let's talk about the fun part: the decor. Creating that perfect, cozy atmosphere is all about choosing the right elements. So, if you're ready to start shopping or just need some inspiration, here are the essential items that will bring your rustic outdoor seating area to life. First, a fire pit or fireplace. This is the ultimate centerpiece. Whether it's a built-in stone fire pit or a grand outdoor fireplace, it provides warmth, light, and a natural gathering spot. Second, wicker or rattan furniture. Woven furniture brings a classic, natural texture to the space. Look for pieces with thick cushions for maximum comfort. Third, natural stone or flagstone paving. This type of flooring connects your seating area directly to the landscape and adds a durable, timeless feel. Fourth, solid wood accents. Think live-edge coffee tables, chunky wooden benches, or a distressed console table. These items showcase the raw beauty of wood. Fifth, earthy tone textiles. Pillows, blankets, and cushions in colors like terracotta, sage green, and beige add a cozy, inviting feel. Sixth, metal lanterns and string lights. These provide ambient lighting that enhances the rustic, warm atmosphere after dark. Seventh, large clay or terracotta pots. Fill these with lush, green plants to add organic life and a Mediterranean feel to the space. Eighth, a pergola or gazebo. A structure made of wood or rough timber provides shade and defines the space, making it feel like a true outdoor room. Now that you're armed with the knowledge, let's get inspired. We've put together our top 10 best rustic outdoor seating area ideas to help you envision your perfect outdoor sanctuary. Let's take a look. 1. The classic stone fire pit retreat. This charming design perfectly encapsulates the rustic aesthetic. Centered around a beautiful stone fire pit, this space features comfortable Adirondack-style chairs arranged to face the crackling flames. The flagstone patio flooring and surrounding large, natural boulders seamlessly blend with the lush, manicured garden and the glowing tiki torches, creating a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere for evening gatherings. 2. Modern rustic oasis with a serene fireplace. Here we see a beautiful fusion of rustic and modern design. The sleek, white and gray stucco fireplace acts as a clean backdrop for the natural elements. Woven, rounded chairs and a bench made of reclaimed wood provide organic textures, while colorful woven stools add a pop of bohemian flair. The tropical plants and bamboo screening create a private and tranquil outdoor room. 3. The ultimate outdoor kitchen and fire pit combo. This design is a masterclass in outdoor entertaining. A multi-level space features a raised wooden deck with a covered seating area, leading down to a lower flagstone patio. The rustic stone fire pit is the focal point, complemented by a built-in pizza oven and grill station. The mix of natural materials and the cozy feel make this the ideal spot for a weekend pizza party or a relaxing evening by the fire. 4. Grand timber frame porch with a stone fireplace. This truly magnificent space showcases the grandeur of rustic design. A vaulted ceiling with massive exposed timber beams and an impressive stone fireplace create a lodge-like feel. The deep, comfortable wicker furniture, rustic console table, and wrought iron lighting fixtures all work together to create an inviting and elegant outdoor living room, perfect for cooler evenings and large family gatherings. 5. The enchanting forest fire pit circle. This is a minimalist yet incredibly effective rustic design. Nestled within a forest setting, the seating area is defined by a ring of large, natural boulders. The center features a simple metal fire bowl on a bed of gravel. Wooden benches and stools made from reclaimed logs provide rustic seating. This design proves that you don't need a lot of fuss to create a serene and natural-looking retreat. 6. Tranquil riverside fire pit with rustic chairs. Imagine this as your own personal slice of paradise. 2 rustic wooden chairs are perfectly positioned on a flagstone patio, facing a small natural fire pit beside a gently flowing stream. The large boulders and lush greenery of the surrounding landscape make this a truly peaceful escape, ideal for quiet contemplation or intimate conversation in the heart of nature. 7. The shaded backyard gazebo with outdoor kitchen. This impressive structure provides the perfect shelter from the sun, allowing you to enjoy your backyard all day long. A rustic timber-framed gazebo with a pitched roof covers a comfortable seating area and a built-in stone grill and counter space. The stone columns and flagstone path, surrounded by a variety of potted plants, create a beautiful and functional space for outdoor dining and relaxation. 8. The stylish courtyard with woven furnishings. This intimate courtyard shows that even a small space can feel grand. The focus is on texture and comfort, with a low-slung sofa and side chairs made of woven wicker and dark metal frames. The natural color palette of the cushions and the large, earthy terracotta pot add to the organic feel. This is a perfect example of a chic, rustic design for a smaller patio or urban backyard. 9. Elegant stone fireplace with a pergola. This beautiful pergola, supported by classic stone columns, defines a sophisticated outdoor room. The main feature is the stunning stone fireplace, complete with a rustic mantel and built-in firewood storage. The light, comfortable wicker furniture contrasts beautifully with the stone and wood, creating an elegant and inviting space that feels both rustic and refined. 10. The covered porch with a grand brick fireplace. This expansive covered porch is a true extension of the home's living space. The beautiful wooden ceiling and exposed beams provide a warm, natural canopy. A massive brick fireplace with a stone hearth anchors the seating area, which is filled with comfortable wicker chairs. A long wooden dining table and a built-in barbecue grill complete the setup, making this a functional and stylish space for all seasons. There you have it, 10 breathtaking examples of how to create a rustic outdoor seating area. As you can see, the key is to embrace natural materials, play with texture, and create a space that feels personal and cozy. Whether you're a fan of a quiet forest retreat or a grand entertaining space, the rustic style offers endless possibilities to connect with nature and enjoy your backyard to the fullest. We hope this video has inspired you to start your own rustic outdoor project. Which design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want more home decor inspiration and design tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss a new video from Homes Decor Designs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.